In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate a UI component. So the component we'll be generating is a contact form here on our Contact Us page. And the way we will generate it is from an image here. As you can see, this image is what we're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and add the image and give it the prompt. Please generate a new contact form on the Contact Us page that looks and functions exactly like the provided image. Ignore the general styling of the application and instead make sure that every single component from the image is properly placed and styled as it appears. Make sure that the form is still compatible with existing global styling, such as light and dark modes. I'm going to go ahead and send that with code-based context. And here you can see the plan to implement our form, including all styling options. And then here you see our code. As well as some few notes on implementation right here. I'm going to go ahead and accept all the code here. And there you can see our form just as it showed up in the image.